Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to learn to make a face pack which is going to glow up your skin. See what are the ingredients used to make this face pack. First one you will need amla powder. Second one you will need is pure honey. And the third ingredient is aloe vera gel. And of course a bowl. Almost every one of you have heard that amla is very good for hair. But do you know that amla is very good for skin? Amla is the most antioxidant rich food in the world and nutrients contributes to reduce the effects of premature aging, reduce dryness of the skin, reduces dehydration. It reduces the appearance of the scars, age spots and wrinkles. Is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for skin regeneration. It removes toxins and acts as an antioxidant. Amla is even used to treat acne and acne scars. It lightens and brightens your complexion. It gently exfoliates your skin. Amla is even used to treat acne and acne scars. It lightens and brightens your complexion. It gently exfoliates your skin. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Honey is an incredible ingredient that can do wonders for your skin. For centuries, honey has remained an integral part of our lifestyle, right from being used for cooking purposes to being tried for treatment of various diseases and illness. The reputation and credibility of honey has a magic position. Benefits of honey for skin and face. Moisturizes the skin deeply. Honey is found as a base ingredient for almost every beauty product. It deeply moisturizes the skin from deep within. The enzymes present in honey enables it to easily seep into the skin while conditioning it and softening it from deep within. Applying honey regularly on your skin can give you results beyond your imagination and can give you healthy, younger looking and glowing skin. For centuries, honey has remained an integral part of our lifestyle, right from being used for cooking purposes to being tried for treatment of various diseases and illness. The reputation and credibility of honey has a magic position. It acts as a gentle exfoliator. Honey helps to exfoliate your skin by gently removing the dead skin cells. In turn, also leaves your face with a brighter complexion. Useful in sunburn. Honey is known to be one of the best home remedies for treating burns. Honey promotes healing by decreasing any inflammation and provides nutrients to damaged tissues. This is what makes honey an amazing remedy for sunburn. If you have acne prone skin, then you are on the right place. Honey acts as an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that aids in not only in removal of excess oil from the surface of the skin but also clearing out any blockages which, if not treated, can cause constant breakage of acne and pimples on the skin. The third ingredient we have to use in this face pack is aloe vera. able to see the face pack is ready. Aloe vera is the miracle or wonder plant which is used in almost all the face products. Aloe vera acts as a fighting against anti-aging. It has vitamin C and E, beta-carotene in abundance. Therefore, it has anti-aging properties. It also contains antimicrobial properties and is anti-inflammatory. It also helps to eradicate skin blemishes. Additionally, it also helps to increase the production of collagen in the body and skin elasticity. It helps in keeping your face healthy and gives you natural shine. It is rich in moisturizing properties. It helps in removing dead cells. It is very beneficial for people with dry and cracked skin. It prevents wrinkles and dark spots of your skin. It also gives protection against harmful ultraviolet rays of the skin, which protects you from the sunburn. How to use this face pack? Twice in a week, you have to use this face pack on your face. After applying this face pack, keep it for 5 to 6 minutes and wash it off with the normal water. Use this face pack at least for 3 months and do share your results with us.